You know the vibes, cousin. Anybody want these? Yo, Boost Auto, y'all did y'all big one with this one. Hey, Boost Auto, what about them light up trail mirrors though? Let me cop those.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you buying, what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club. I'm really chilling with my seed. I love my poppy, put me on. I'm really chilling with OGs. Don't test my gangster, think I'm made. We gon' Tryna be here for a while in a good time. Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine. Tryna be here for a while in a good time. Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine. Streets get ugly, yeah, I seen it. Please believe me, I be tucked. Don't like smoking, last so long, so I keep sipping on this cup. Don't crave attention, just to mention I be chilling in the cut. Glass got empty, now I'm searching through my wallet for a $1 bill. There's some change in my pocket, oh no. Hit my girl, can you spot me? I just need a little loan. Out the house and I'm just vibing on the low. She said she on the way, but she gon' ride it. Tryna be here for a while in a good time. Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine.
What is up, cousin? I am your favorite cousin, Jess. Welcome back to the vlog. A day in the life of a daily Jeep Wrangler driver. Spend a couple days with me. Daily Jeep Wrangler driver chronicles. Y'all know the vibes. I got something that I think y'all really are going to want to see. I got something that I think y'all really gonna like. Something that's gonna knock your socks off. Something that just might knock your... Never mind. Something bomb, something fire, something so dope that I gotta share with y'all. And yes, of course, as you guessed it, it's Jeep related. But first, yeah, and it's May 1st, so off to the dealership we go. But also, my center console latch had broken one time before, and the dealership actually fixed it. So I'm hoping that that's still covered under warranty because it hasn't even been a year yet, and that's broke again. So if they can't fix that under the warranty, meaning it's photo free, I got a remedy for that.
What are we doing for you today?
Inspection and then my center console.
So we already in too deep. Can't get.
So we passed inspection. Of course, why wouldn't we? I did have to get some wiper blades because I haven't replaced those since 2019. But we're not going to talk about that. So I actually only had to end up paying $36.77. What else did they do? That latch on the center console, right? When I was messing with it, when I was showing y'all, I ended up fixing it. So the spring that's underneath the latch that causes the tension for you to, you know, move the latch up and down and keep it closed or open it up, that was loose. And it's also like rusted. So basically what I did was kind of like shove that back up in there, and that created the tension. So the latch started working again. So it is fixed for the moment. It's still technically under warranty. We still in the clear. I also was having an issue with my passenger visor. So essentially what was going on is every time I pulled the visor down, whatever is holding it up in the ceiling or the roof of the Wrangler kept falling down. And I told them about that. And I don't believe that's covered under warranty, but because of the package that I have, they have something at that dealership or whatever that basically like allowed me leeway to get that fixed for the free. Got that fixed too. So initially when I said if they couldn't fix that latch, I had a remedy, this is what I was talking about. In my quest to like figure stuff out on my own and kind of help out a couple of my female Wrangler owners who possibly go through the same issues that I be going through or whatever with my Wrangler. And as far as my visor is concerned, I actually ordered the sun visor replacement clips. It's possible that I'm gonna need it for my driver's side because right now the only issue that I was having was on the passenger side. So I I could go ahead and keep these. I will link these in the description box below. If you're having that same issue too, make sure you click the link in the description box so that you can get your little repair kit. Or better yet, go to that dealership and see if it's covered under your warranty, because everything for the free. And as far as the latch is concerned on my center console, I also had a remedy for that, because the dealer charged me like $90 to fix that last time. So I found a whole new latch piece for that. This spring piece right here kept slipping. I'm gonna link this in the description box below, as well as this in the description box below. So yes, that is what is going on with the Jeep. But right now it is 4:17. We gotta get to homework. So I'm gonna call y'all back.
I wish I had eyes in the back of my head. I've been working on my pride, but the rest of me cares. Every time I feel alive, it be loving the air. You my sinner, don't fold like it's Vanity Fair. Every time that I be down, then I be running to you. It's ironic that I'm scared, but I'm calling you boo. Please don't ghost me, love me, hug me, hold me, see me, grow me. I see hoping, bragging, boasting. So while I'm working on my pride, I've been working on my pride, yeah. I've been really scared, but then really trying, yeah. Never bite my tongue when there's something on my mind, yeah. Baby, you a gem, I never leave you under mine, yeah. Praying's just a phase and we get it back in line, yeah.
Okay, period. Huge shout out to Boost Auto for partnering with me on this video and sending over these bomb LumaStep M1 light up running boards. Hey Boost, y'all did y'all big one with this one. These are about to look so nasty on Big Gray. Hey, let's get it. Let's go ahead and install these.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Anybody want these?
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shit, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none.
Start by opening the hood. On the passenger side of the vehicle.
Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10-80, my savings. Take to the top on the baseline.
Cousin, this shit is actually no joke, but I'm really and truly doing this by myself. Like, nobody is here. Nobody's been here all day. I've been at this since what, like 9 o'clock? It is hard work, but I just want you to know, sis, you could do it too. Let's keep going.
New car, race on, fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Non-human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.
Cousin, I promise you on everything, you are missing out if you do not click the link in the description box below and cop these LumaStep M1 light up running boards for your Jeep Wrangler. Hell, while you're over there, make sure you check out all the other mods and accessories that Boost Auto offers for a wide variety of vehicles.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanted this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember.
Cousin, you can't tell me nothing. And the fact that I did it all by myself, crazy. I don't know, I just got like a wild hair on my ass and I was like, you know what? I wanna do this and I wanna do this on my own. This was probably the hardest mod that I have put on my Jeep Wrangler. And I've always had the assistance of TJ, like he's always just there. You know what I mean? To help. That's what a boyfriend is supposed to do. No, right? Correct. But this time, I just wanted to say that I was the only one to put my hands on it. And I did it. I did it, y'all. Sis, you could do it too. Get you some of them Lumistep M1 light up running boards and fleek the hell out of it, sis. You could do it. I promise you. But, hey, Boost Auto, go with them light up trail mirrors though, fam. Bernie cop those. I need those. Well, cousin, that is all. That is it for this video. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. I hope that you are thoroughly enjoying all the mods and accessories that I am putting on the Jeep. I hope that you guys enjoy me sharing them with you. I'm definitely enjoying sharing them with you. So yeah, I hope the feeling is mutual. And of course, you already know, if you are a real one, then I will be seeing you in my next one. Peace, y'all.